Second, you need to listen. Professional organizing is not about talking constantly or proving how much you know. You need to hear what the client says, notice what the client avoids, and understand what the client wants the space to accomplish. Third, you need compassion without becoming emotionally entangled. Now, you can care about the client without trying to rescue the client. You can support the client without taking responsibility for every single decision made. Fourth, you need confidence. A client is paying for professional guidance. That means you must be able to make recommendations, explain your reasons, and set priorities, and keep the project moving without offending. Compassion and confidence must work together. Too little compassion can make the client feel judged. Too little confidence can leave the client feeling unsupported. You also need your frustration. Clients may change their minds. Family members may disagree. A project may move more slowly than expected. A client may become tired, distracted, or emotionally overwhelmed. The professional organizer must remain steady. If every unexpected situation makes you impatient or defensive, this work may become difficult very quickly. Now, emotional skill is essential, but there is another part of the work that people often underestimate. Professional organizing can also be physically demanding. Number 4, physical demands of professional organizing is not always a quiet afternoon arranging pantry containers. Depending on your services, you may spend hours standing, bending, lifting, reaching, sorting, and carrying, packing, unpacking, and moving through tight space. Garages can be hot, yes, especially here in the very bottom tip of South Texas. Storage areas can be dusty. Moving projects can involve long days and tight deadlines. Downsizing projects may require handling years of possessions. Now, paper projects, that's a whole nother beast. It may involve hours of close concentration and repetitive decision making. You need to consider your physical capacity honestly. That does not mean every organizer must offer physically demanding services. You can choose. I can only do garages for 3 hours in the heat, but I can bring a bin into the house and sort and then go back to the garage. Now, professional organizers can specialize. Some work primarily through virtual sessions. Some focus on just paperwork or some on photos. Some offer coaching, as I do. Some organize businesses and offices. Some specialize in move management, unpacking seniors, families, and the occasional ADHD friendly systems. But you need to understand what your chosen service requires. You also need to recognize your limits. Professionalism includes knowing when you need an assistant, when a task requires another type of provider, and when a project is outside your scope. I have offered recommendations for those that need personal assistance